Hi guys, today in the vise, or on the vise, we've got a Cisa logo line 61063 shutter lock. It's got a key, excuse me, it's got a key, quite severe bitting on it, quite a tight keyway, a lovely satisfying click when you open it. So bear with me a second, I'll get it positioned, we'll have a go at picking it. Right, we're in the vise, we're going in with a pry bar, which isn't ideal to be honest, not with this lock. I like the tension at this end of the keyway as much as possible because it gives you plenty of room, and this being quite a tight keyway means you need all the room you can get. But unfortunately I don't have anything suitable at the moment to tension it from the other end. We're using a Mad Bob hook, which again not ideal because I mean great picks and everything, but they have no handle on them, so it can get a little bit painful on a sustained pick. And this lock has a spring-loaded core, so you're always fighting against that as well. Right, we've got our false set back. Now where are we? That one. That sounded good. Possibly just overset, but we'll soldier on, see how we do. Ow. I think I'm tensioning this one too much anyway, but oh, there we go. And for the clunk, superb. Satisfying pick with a tight keyway, awkward tension, lots of outtakes. But there you go, great little lock, tricky pick. Thanks very much. Cheers.